in these legislations, we have constituted several agencies. Needless to say that without these agencies for investigation and adjudication, we cannot meet the ends of justice. I would like to know through you, sir, from the Honorable Minister, whether the central government and the ministry monitors whether there are vacancies, and if there are, what are the kind of action and steps that the ministry takes for their appointments?
Thank you.
So, as the member has rightly said, there is a need to even monitor once agencies are established. For instance, under the Nirbhaya Fund, sir, over 1,023 fast-track courts were fiscally supported, especially for those districts where there are high incidents of crime against women and where adjudication was indeed needed to be escalated, or for that matter, processes had to be fastened. I must here, sir, add that apart from providing fiscal support to fast-track courts, not only my ministry, but also all ministries that partake in various projects under the Nirbhaya Fund, individually also engage with the said department in states to ensure that projects such as Safe City project, and again, I will draw your attention back to the state of Tamil Nadu and Chennai, for instance. For safety purposes, CCTV cameras were given today in the city of Chennai itself. We have over, I think, 1 lakh, to be precise, 1,37,000 CCTV cameras operational in cooperation with with public cooperation to ensure safety of women. So be it establishment of CCTV cameras, be it establishment of fast-track courts, or for that matter, sir, even child protection units in various states, or for that matter, even vacancies in JJBs, we periodically take it up with state governments, sir.
Thank you. Srimati Jaya Bachchan ji.
मंत्री जी से ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि ये जो विक्टिम्स हैं और जो क्राइम कमिट करते हैं, इन दोनों को किस तरह से आप साइकोलॉजिकली सपोर्ट करने के लिए कोई काम कर रहे हैं?
Sir, I would like through you bring to the notice of the honourable member that last year itself, in collaboration with NIMHANS, we set up a project called Samvad, which began as a project to provide support to children who are in need of mental health support. NIMHANS in the past 6 months, sir, has in fact across the country trained 41,000 duty holders. Our endeavour was to ensure that teachers, or for that matter those who serve in childcare institutions, or for that matter those who are in JJBs and need that kind of training, can be upskilled and supported. NIMHANS has recently declared in the district meeting that I had just spoken about, sir, that even if a particular district needs customization of mental health program and care for women and children, we are happy to do that as well, because in many districts, sir, language tends to become a big challenge. Additionally, sir, I may want to add here that in the next 2-3 days, we are holding a meeting with all one-stop centers, crisis centers in our country. And additionally, we are ensuring that each one-stop crisis center engages with NIMHANS to provide mental health care support to women victims who reach out to us, sir. There has been also an endeavor and my colleague here is here from the MEA, Jaishankar ji, he was kind enough, in fact, to accept our proposal that women who go overseas as well need a particular help desk if they are in ever distress. And MEA has also supported that request of ours, and under Nirbhaya Fund,